Ready to power up those forearms because it's time to dive right into a forearm workout that'll have you gripping life with newfound strength. The first exercise in our lineup is the hammer curl. Grab a cable and let's get started. Position yourself in front of the cable machine, feet shoulder width apart. Grasp the cable with an underhand grip and curl it up towards your shoulder. Feel that? That's your brachioradialis and biceps brachii brachialis getting a solid workout. Next up we have the reverse wrist curl. For this, you'll need a barbell. Place your forearms on a bench with your hands hanging off the edge, palms down. Curl your wrists upwards, engaging those wrist extensors. This exercise may not have a secondary target, but it sure does pack a punch. Moving on, we have the wrist curl. This one also uses a barbell. Position your forearms on your thighs, palms facing up. Curl your wrists upwards, again targeting those wrist extensors. The fourth exercise is the reverse curl. Grab that barbell again, but this time use an overhand grip. Curl the barbell up towards your chest while keeping your elbows close to your body. This targets your brachioradialis and gives your biceps brachii brachialis a secondary workout. Fifth in line is the one-arm wrist curl. This time grab a dumbbell. Rest your forearm on your thigh, palm facing up. Curl your wrist upwards, giving those wrist flexors a good workout. Last but not least, we have the crossbody hammer curl. This one also uses a dumbbell. Hold the dumbbell in your hand, palm facing your torso. Curl the dumbbell across your body towards your opposite shoulder. Your brachioradialis gets the primary workout here, with your biceps brachii brachialis as the secondary target. But before we wrap up, do consider subscribing to the channel and activating that bell icon. You wouldn't want to miss out on more workouts like this, would you? And while you're at it, why not hit that like button too? As a final note, do check out the previous video on abdominal exercises. Strengthening your core can greatly enhance your overall performance. And there you have it, 6 fantastic exercises to strengthen those forearms. Remember, consistency is key, so keep at it and you'll soon notice the difference.